This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Chhaava painting using an easy method. We'll cover the basic steps to create striking portraits inspired by the film. This approach is designed for everyone, even if you're just starting your artistic journey. You'll learn to capture the essence of these powerful characters with minimal fuss and readily available supplies. Let's get started on your artistic adventure. Before we begin, let's gather our essential art supplies. You'll need a good quality drawing paper, and an A4 size sheet with 200 GSM works well. For coloring, a set of DOMs or brushstroke color pencils will provide vibrant results. Don't forget a basic graphite pencil for sketching, a kneaded eraser for corrections, and a white gel pen for adding highlights. These simple tools are all you need to create your Chhaava masterpiece. Now let's move on to the sketching phase. Begin by lightly drawing the main outline of your chosen Chhaava character. You can use a grid method to help achieve accurate proportions, especially for faces. Concentrate on capturing the expressive eyes, the strong nose, and the defined mouth. Remember, these initial lines are just guides, so keep your pressure light for easy erasing. Take your time to get the basic structure right. Finally, it's time to bring your Chhaava painting to life with color. Start by applying your base colors with light pressure, gradually building up layers for depth. Use brown, orange, and red tones for skin and clothing, blending them smoothly with a white pencil or blending stump. Add fine details like hair strands and fabric textures. For more artistic inspiration and great deals, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other exciting offers. Finish with highlights using your white gel pen for a striking effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.